Good morning, everyone. It's Morgan from Lynchpin. Just wanted to do a quick video in regards to some dividend stocks that I am purchasing as of this month. So this is September 2021. Just keep in mind, I normally don't give stock recommendations like a lot of people do. The reason I try to avoid that is because it's all about teaching people how to invest, not making decisions for them. But at the behest of some friends and family, that's what I'm going to do because that's what they've requested. So everything that you see highlighted in blue are Dividend Kings stocks. Check out my video on Dividend Kings somewhere around here. For more information on what they are, at the top you can see they've increased for 50 years straight. They've increased their dividend. But I decided to add a few new names: Northwest Natural Holding, Leggett and Platt. Now, these stocks with green are the ones that I'm going to focus on this morning because that's what I've been buying this month. Usually I review dividend stocks that I'm going to buy about every 3 months. And as I have a little bit of money, I kind of move that over. So I have this new Roth IRA account with about $1,200 in it. Just to put it into perspective, I have many other accounts. I have other strategies, and I happen to own many of these in retirement accounts and some other long-term accounts. But I just wanted to share in this new account, just kind of using it as a bellwether, and may use it to illustrate some things in some future videos. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's a view of the actual TD Ameritrade account. These were purchased just a couple of days ago. Sorry I didn't get the video out sooner. I had some other things come up right after I bought them. But long story short, I've got FRT, KO, LEG, Triple M, MO, and NWN. Now, just keep in mind Coke. I own a ton of Coke in my other accounts. Long story short, love the dividend. All of the dividend stocks that I'm looking at here, if you remember from the spreadsheet, are 2.96% dividend yield or higher currently. And so I really like that. I think they're a good value right now. Upon review, those are the highest yield, but also well-established companies. Again, being Dividend Kings, I really like that. I think there's a lot of upside, and these are kind of the top end of the Dividend Kings. The only one with significant news that I'm aware of coming out, as a matter of fact, today at some point, supposedly, is in regards to MO, Altria. There's supposed to be a ruling in regards to Juul and other vape companies as to what's acceptable, what isn't. Regardless of whether the stock runs or craters, I doubt it would crater, but let's say it's impacted negatively, it's not going to change my view on the stock. The dividend's super attractive. It's over 6%. So for me, it's an add either way. With these long-term and or retirement accounts, I'm not touching any of that. So I do want to point that out. But long story short, these are the exact stocks that I'm purchasing. Now, do your own due diligence, look into some of those Dividend Kings and things like that yourself, and determine what works for you. But for my long-term account, these are probably the stocks that will be my main purchases piece by piece, month by month over the next few months. And then after, I'll reassess and see what else I'm going to be adding over time. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you around soon.